I have a Honda FG110 mini tiller that is extremely hard to start. Right now I can't get it to start at all. I've never had problems with Honda engines on any other equipment, but this one has been a continuous problem.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Honda tiller? How old is it?
Last summer, and it is probably 6 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Honda tiller? What have you tried so far?
It has been going on almost since I bought it. I took it in and had it serviced, and it has still been a problem. I've tried putting in new gas, starting it with the choke, using no choke. 2 days ago, I finally got it started and it ran for a minute or two, set it to idle to move at the garden, and it stopped and I can't get it started since then.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'd just like to get it running so I can use it tomorrow. Smile.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. I do apologize for no one having responded to your question prior to now. Based on the information that you have provided thus far, I would suspect that you have a carburetor jet blockage that is causing your starting and running issue. What happens if you remove the air filter and spray a little carburetor cleaner directly into the intake and try to start it?
I tried some carb cleaner and after a lot of pulling it started 3 times for about 2 to 3 seconds. More carb cleaner and a bunch of pulling it started and act like it was running fine. As I was moving it to the flower bed it stopped again and now it won't start.
It definitely sounds like you have a carburetor jet blockage that is not allowing enough fuel to pass through in order to keep the engine running properly. I would remove the carburetor and thoroughly clean all jets and fuel passages, and that should solve your running issue. Thank you for choosing to use our services. Please take a moment to rate your experience using the star rating system that is provided for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.